Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial, I will show you how to transform lowercase text to uppercase and uppercase text to lowercase. And also, I will show you how to capitalize first letter of each words. So without any delay, let's practically see how to do it. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to transforming text. Now let us create small paragraph. Let us specify some content. Now let us save the file and see we could create small paragraph element or not. As you can see, web browser displayed the content of paragraph. It means that we could create a small paragraph. Now by using CSS, let us transform this text to uppercase. For using CSS, we need to go to heat section and use style tag. Let us use style tag. Let us select paragraph by tag name. Let us type opening and closing curly braces. For transforming text to uppercase, we need to use CSS property called text transform and set the value of text transform property to uppercase. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see the content of paragraph is transformed to uppercase or not. As you can see, web browser displayed the content of paragraph in uppercase. Transforming text to lowercase alphabet is same like transforming text to uppercase alphabet, with only difference that when we want to transform text to lowercase, we need to set the value of text transform property to lowercase. So now let us see how to capitalize first letter of each words. Let us create each one element. Put line break at the end. Now let us create each one element. This is each one element. Now let us capitalize each words of this h1 element by using CSS. To use CSS, we need to use a style tag, and style tag we need to select h1 element. Let us select h1 element by tag name. Now let us type opening and closing curly braces. For capitalizing each word of h1 element, we need to use text transform property and set the value of text transform property to capitalize. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could capitalize first letter of each one element or not. As you can see, we could capitalize first letter of each words of each one element. Okay guys, this was the way of transforming text to lowercase and uppercase, and also we have seen how to capitalize first letter of each one element. If you liked this video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe it, please do subscribe now.